Ganja for go big man. With a party marijuana, wood and me little bit. So Babylon and show up and Rasta one like him not more. We sell it and use it to educate our children and police. And why fan I like enough wickedness increase. Legalization, the ganja herb. Well, clean up your heart. What kind of corruption you have on your tongue? To please no man for a simple draw, a verb that grew from the earth. Legalization, for the ganja herb, cut it up quick. Legalization, for the ganja herb. You're no bad man, you're a strong defender. Legalization, for the ganja herb. Old Babylon. Legalization, for the ganja herb. And sometimes when them a go in for them shady, them a drive ambulance. And sometimes when them a deep out for them shady, them a drive on fire truck with the back up in the back. And sometimes when them a take out for them shady, them drive on ship and coast guard thing. No coke and sail from here to there and Rasta can't licking chalice. Joe! Rastafari must snipe them for this. As me plant a seed, you run come raid me feel. Looking at yourself and tell me the way you feel. My children wake up in the morning without a nice meal. Simply because you can't go wheel and tear down and make a deal, me can't do like you. Legalization, for the ganja herb. Rasta need it now. Legalization, for the ganja herb. You clean and have a conscience. Legalization, for the ganja herb. Put it up quick. Legalization, for the ganja herb. Some say we have to bite the bullet.
Get hustling. With 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. The speed limit was 35, was doing 55. See a Babylon car draw out on me. We start to speed on corners, just like we are daredevils. Him couldn't keep up with me, cause me too hard. With 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. Can't afford to get arrested. Lord, I don't have no papers on me. Can't deal with no time down a GP. I've got to make a clean break. Can't take no check now with 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. The cops, they set up a roadblock. And man, you know, I just can't stop. The cops, they start to chase, bust up some shot. But man, I've got to make it away. With 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. 100 weight of Cali weed coming from Centers. The dreadlocks are waiting in the city. Just to get a jar me herb. me hurt. Man, I see the flashing lights coming, coming. The speed, the speed, the speed, the speed, the speed, the speed, the speed.
Time so time so coming from the country with my bag of Cali. I woke up on a DC. Him want to hold me. Don't you run now, youth man. You won't get away. If you slip, you will die. And if you run, you can't hide. For I've got my dick stuck right in my hip now. Oh, DC. Don't you take my eyeshadow. Oh, DC. Don't you touch my collie. Oh, DC. My children dying for hunger, and I'm gonna suffer. So you've got to see, it's the collie that feed me. 50 cents a stick and $1 a quarter. That's what keep me alive. Me and my 2 kids and wife. So give me a chance and make me go a little faster. Just let me pass through, and Jah will bless you. Oh, DC. Don't you take my eyeshade. Oh, DC. Don't you touch my collie. No, for the time is so rough. I'm gonna hustle. Yeah. I got the great sensei mania and the good lamb's bread, yeah. A little tripe and stone and a little goat egg, yeah. You treat them waiting in the city. We go lick it to the gritty. So please, Mr. DC, won't you have some pity? Oh, DC. Don't you touch my eyeshade. Oh, DC. Don't you take my collie. Oh, DC. Don't you touch my eyeshade. Oh, DC. Don't you touch my collie. No, 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 Mr. DC. Give me a chance, to give me a chance, set me free, Mr. DC, oh yeah. Oh, DC. Don't you take my eyeshade. Oh, DC. Don't you take my collie. Oh, DC. No, no, no.
Biddy biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy man. Bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy bang bang, biddy man. Biddy man, I'm a point. Get a man, get a man. Early, early Sunday morning, it was a big ganja smuggling. Inna the mud, me a pick and lay, but me a load them down in a the tub. Hey. One by one, load up the van, all of the ganja it ram. Put it on a plane, go we gonna Spain. Money just a pour like rain. Me just a muggle up the lane in a rope gold chain. Hey, me and me girl named Jane. Bang get it men den. Better men a mokoin, better men den get a yoin. Dang dang diddy dang dang, get it men den, get a men den, get a men den, get a men den, get a men den. Down there in the ghetto I go, where sufferation I once know. Mommy and daddy all are we so poor, we all had to sleep on the floor. Storm it come and it blow down me door, me have to nail up me window. Me shoes tear up, me toe dust a show, me no know where he really run go. Mommy does just a ball. Poor, poor, poor. Me cry, she say, don't cry no more. Dang, dang, diddy, dang, dang. Giddy, men, den, den, den. Ben, a more coins. Then a men, den, get a coin. Dang, dang, diddy, dang, dang. Get a men, den, den, den. Ben, a coin. Get a men, den, get a coin. Get a men.
Yes, boss, yes, boss, yes, boss. Police in helicopter, I search for marijuana. Policemen in the streets, searching for cali weed. Soldiers in the field, burning the cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. Soldier in the herb field, burning the cali weed. Police in helicopter, I search for marijuana. Policemen in the streets, searching for cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane field. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane field. Police in helicopter, I search for marijuana. Policemen in the streets, searching for cali weed. Policemen in the field, burning the cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. We don't trouble your banana, we don't trouble your corn. We don't trouble your pimento, we don't trouble you at all. So if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. Ooh, yeah. Police in helicopter, I search for marijuana. Policemen in the street, searching for cali weed. Policemen in the fields, boy, burning the cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. Boy,
I'm a ganja man, preaching love upon this land. And I want you to understand, yeah, from the day I was birthed, I and I born as a ganja man. Don't try to change my lifestyle and get me now no corruption. It's just the way I me move and the way I me groove. Some people say me crude, for the God is my backative, so I've got to push it on through. So help me sing. Yeah, I and I born as a ganja man. Yeah, I and I born as a Rasta man. It's not the clothes that you wear make you be a righteous man. It's not the dreadlock on your head make you be a Rasta man. Clean hands and are pure in heart, I preach love amongst your brothers. Don't entangle with ding and dangle, cause you will end up down, so help me sing. Yeah, I and I born as a ganja man. Yeah, I and I born as a Rasta man. They say that herb was found on King Solomon's grave. I chew them, I tell and I brave me brave. Herb was in the beginning, gonna be in the end. Stay away with no quote that trend and help me sing. Yeah, I and I born as a ganja man. Yeah, I and I born as a Rasta man. I just smoke my weed and preach love upon this land.
I love me little Haitian tree. I love me little Haitian tree. No Babylon can take it from me. Hey, in the morning as the sun comes up, me and me I drink just a bun 2 cup. The way me get red, man, me couldn't stand up. Me have to fling me back in on me Chris I'm up. Me no left me sense in me now. Me love me little Haitian still. Man, me love me little Haitian still. No Babylon can't take it from me. Because 30 days, hot September, April, June, and also November. All the rest is 31, except February alone, which has 28 days clear, and 29 in each leap year. But me say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No fertilizer and me call it half a beer. No left the sense in me, yeah. Man, me love me little Haitian string. Love me little Haitian string. No Babylon can't take it from me. Them coulda bring me go to courthouse and pop off me church. Me nah stop smoke ganja pipe till me host. No left the sense in me, yeah. Me bill a spliff, get a left. Dreadlocks I man couldn't resist. And me love me little Haitian string. Love me little Haitian string. No Babylon can't take it from me. Because in Babylon they want to charge dread for ganja. But how can one man on earth ganja? We only born with sense in me, yeah. Lord, it is a seed that me sow. I man say it grow and it turn a plant. Me say me save a draw for uncle and me save one for aunt. Who no get a draw, judge I know them no one. No left the sense in me, yeah. And me bill a spliff, take a left. Oh, I man couldn't resist. The sweetest thing is to see me bend down. When 2 leaves drop off on the ground, I man roll it up and start have some fun. Me no left me sense in me, yeah. And me love me little Haitian string. Love me little Haitian string. No Babylon can't take it from me. Them a come out with them own security force.
Yes,
but they never stop my life and
I beg your pardon, what did it say? Do it, Jack.
100 tons of Cali.
Live a life and love a life and live. Black people, Cali are where the whole world need. Say give me for me true Cali weed. Come and say give me for me true Cali weed. So take me to Jamaica where the Cali come from. But take me to Jamaica where the Cali come from. Jamaican Cali make your dolly. The other Cali them a blast the folly. The man who drink and drive find it very difficult to stay alive. Me no drink wild funk and me way tumble down. So take me to Jamaica where the Cali come from. Cause when the wicked them come to eat up in my flesh, John was said they shall stumble and fail. What profit is here in I blood when I go down to the pit black people? 100 pound a Cali. Cutty yourself, they bring the Cali, come and make me smoke up the sense. Bring the Cali, come and make me smoke up the sense. Jah make you, and me say Jah make me. There's one thing I am up upon it, wanted to see. Is all our black brother them be free. Stay free from Babylon brutality. Black people got to hear me when I tell it to you. Telling it like it is. I am no fugitive. When I show this to the need. When you read from Genesis to Revelation. Bang little lady. So me say take me to Jamaica where the Cali come from. Take me to Jamaica where the Cali come from. Jamaican Cali make your darling. The other Cali them a blasted to folly. The other Cali them a blasted to folly. But if I push herb you fi put it on the ground. But if I Cali beg you bring the sense come. Say me no smoke clams bread cause we hurt up me head. No smoke clams bread cause we hurt up me head. Say bring a Cali come and make we smoke it till it done. Black people, you got to know yourself now this is Iowa. Each one teach one down a Babylon. The fool said in their heart that there's no God. Corrupted are they and do abominable thing unto Jah. But black people, every day I and I wake up, I give thanks for life. Give thanks for the day, give thanks for the sunshine and rising of the sun. Until Jah blessed day has been done. Cutty just said, take me to Jamaica where the Cali come from. Take me to Jamaica where we Cali come from. Me no chat stop, this me is a culture in a day. We do want no time to go talk no things.
It seems like the Asian system a fail. In days of old, when man were bold and coke pipe wasn't invented. Now this is all about equal rights and justice. Now instead of them a focus on one cliff tail, them should focus on crime and violence. It seems like the Asian system a fail. In days of old, when man were bold and coke pipe wasn't invented, man used to smoke them herb and cook them food and eat and feel contented. Now the youth them start burn the crack and the coke and go up on the street and get haunted. Them just broke 2 bank and juke down 2 shop and fly a marrow and then get wanted. Now me a beg all the youth them fi come together and unite and think positive. Just so more the good sense in me and it good for your brain. It never make you think negative cause her body healing of the nation. Crack and cocaine couldn't take the position. Herba healing of the nation. The Ganja die from foundation. Herba healing of the nation. Them one bunny down those evilous garbage and it had the healing of the nation. Crack and cocaine couldn't take the position. Herb good for them foot, he good for them hand, he good for them chest and them belly bottom. Say good for the woman, he good for the man, he good for me brain and it make it function. It had the healing of the nation. Crack and cocaine could not take the position. Herba healing of the nation. The Ganja die from foundation. Herba healing of the nation. Them one bunny down with them Babylon. Herba healing of the nation. The crack and cocaine a bring destruction. Who said that sense he can't burn? Tell them said that sense he have to burn. Who said that ganja shouldn't burn? Tell them said that ganja can't done. Gun the body pipe, me said then you turn it down. Take up the chalice and me know you welcome. Gun the body pipe, me said then you turn it down. Take up the chalice and then you welcome. Them come down ya so fight we industry. And in America them build a ganja city. Them come down ya so fight we industry. In America them build a ganja city. Them come tell we said then take it make medicine. And in Jamaica fi with them a poison. Them come tell we said then take it make medicine. And in Jamaica fi with them a poison. It a the healing of the nation. Crack and cocaine couldn't take the position. Herba healing of the nation. The Ganja die from foundation. Herba healing of the nation. They want bunny down with them Babylon. Herba healing of the nation. Crack and cocaine couldn't take the position. In
Now come down and sing a song for the world, man.
Where the drugs, where them find in a Barbados. Yes, the Rasta man me want to know where the drugs, where them say that them find in a Barbados. Where the drugs, where them find in a Barbados. Yes, the prouder people want to know where the drugs, where them say that them find in a Barbados. Oh yes, I'm not just arrive through the stadium gate. I pledge you give I'm on a spliff so that I could meditate. Don't smoke me spliff and me throw away the butt. Here comes a policeman to pick it up and lock I up and them no wait. Say right away them run gun fabricate, spreading Rasta man name all over the place. Oh boy. Headline pon them TV and them radio, big front page of them newspaper. With the little ganja but where them pick up off the ground, them never find me with no coke, no heroin, no opium. Where the drugs, why where them find in a Barbados? Yes, other people want to know where the drugs. Yes, where them find in a Barbados. Oh, I want to hear it from the United Nations. Where is the justice for the Rasta man? Article 16 of their own convention said the Rasta man should have a little herb in his possession. A human rights violation. Locking up the ballad, locking up the Rasta man. Feed the vegetable matter we a group on Jajaland. So where the drugs, Lord, where them find on a Barbados. Yes, they get the youths, them want to know where the drugs. Yes, where them find on a Barbados. Even aristocrats, them want to know where the drugs. Where them say that them find on a Barbados. Oh, shook. Babylon can't find nothing for cook. Babylon can't find nothing for dig. Burn them and on them stick. Is it because I am a Rasta man? Or them a fight against Jamaica? They violate my constitution and come and tell I'm about I'm wrong. So where the drugs, where them say them find in a Barbados. Yes, the bubble man them want to know where the drugs, where them say that them find on a Barbados. Yes, the Orthodox them want to know where the drugs, where them say them find in a Barbados. 12 tribe of Israel want to know where the drugs, where them say that them find in a Barbados. Oh, I'm not just arrived to the stadium gate. I pledge you give I'm on a spliff so that I could meditate. Don't smoke me spliff and throw away the butt. Here comes a Babylon to pick it up and lock I up and they no wait. Yes, right away them run gun fabricate, spreading Rasta man name all over the place. Boy, headline pon them TV and them radio, big front page of them newspaper. With the little ganja but with them take from off the ground, them never find you with no coke, no heroin, or opium. Where the drugs, Lord, where them find on a Barbados. Yes, the little youths them want to know where the drugs, where them say that them find on a Barbados. Rasta people want to know where the drugs, why where them find on a Barbados. I and I say shook. Babylon can't find
International era pictureless. Give me what my heart desire. No sense of meaner in my chalwa. Getting smoke from a burning fire. Getting higher. Can't take the push up no more. One sense of meaner for sure. Can't you see that is my score? Why don't you give me some more? Pfizer, sense of meaner a medicine. Cigarette a Pfizer, sense of meaner a medicine. Ooh. Get up your smoke cigarette every day. Half of your life gone in the ashtray. Doctor said, boy, you soon reach cemetery. Yeah. Why don't you smoke the sensi? Smoke some good sensi. Yes, I smoke a good sensi. International era me chalice. International era me chalice. International era me chalice. Give me what my heart desire. Love sense of meaner in my chalwa. International era the chalice. International era the chalice. Them have to watch the Rasta man, know we must smoke it. And you'll still have see and we are try it. As the smoke driving away, so the Eden drive away. And according to their works, they say must get their pay. International era the chalice. Yes, international era the chalice. International era the chalice. Give me what my heart desire. Enough sense of me in my chalwa. Getting smoke from a burning fire. Getting higher, higher, yeah. 10 quarter and a buckle of water. Me hygiene through the sense of me I catch the chalwa and give thanks and praise to Jendau. Stop smoke, sense in a bush. Now smoke, sense in a basement. We got to smoke it in the dance. Where the breeze can blow it away. Where the breeze can blow it away. The president said that him smoke it. Tell the people them, say him no inhale it. Peter touch lick it in a Buckingham Palace. In a White House, where steeples try it. Where the breeze can blow it away. Where the breeze can blow it away. Stop smoke, sense in a gully. Stop smoke, sense in a backyard. Yes, me have to grow it from me front line. Cause sense vina and the best now. Long time Babylon are exploited, exploited. You think I know them are fighting, fighting. Give me the chalice, let me light it. Where the breeze can blow it away. Where the breeze can blow it away. It's better for a dinner of herb where love are gathered than a big pot of oxtail where there's hatred. Sensamina purify my nerves to take the corner and the curve. Whoa. Stop smoke, sensa in a gully. Stop smoke, sensa in a backyard. Stop smoke, sensa in a basement. We got to smoke it in the dance hall. This is a message to the nation, nation. No give the youth and no coke pan. So that I turn them in a madman. Give them the healing of the nation, nation. I make them nice of creation. Stop smoke, sense in a gully. Stop smoke, sense in a bush. Boy. Stop smoke, sense in a backyard. Stop smoke, sense in a basement. We come to smoke it in the dance hall. Where the breeze can blow it away. Where the breeze can blow it away. The president said that him smoke it. Tell the people them, say him not inhale it. Peter touch lick it in a Buckingham Palace. In a White House, where steel was a try it. Send it a hold him nose and a rub it. When the breeze just blow it away. When the breeze just blow it away. Why, yeah. Legalize it. Why? Do not read about the killer advertise it. Whoa. So we stop smoking. See, I don't smoke cigarettes, cause it will stop eye breath. Yes, yeah. I don't sniff coke, cause it will make I choke. All I smoke is the real cushion pain. Cushion pain make I count from 1 till 10. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Boy, so pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Oh. I went on the cover just to find my lover. In the kitchen she frying chicken. Meanwhile me have my cushion pain. So pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Oh yeah. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. See, in the town it's $1 a stick. In the country it's 50 cents. Me and the brethren sit down under a tree, roll to spliff and eat some food. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Whoa, yeah. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. See, oh wait, oh wait. See, Canadian people love to smoke cushion pain. When them smoke cushion pain, them have to smoke it again. The London people love to smoke
cushion pen. When them smoke cushion pen, them have to smoke it again. So pass the cushion pen, pass it over. Whoa, see, pass the cushion pen, pass it over. Hey, I'm on those smoke cigarettes, cause it will stop eye breath. Yeah, yeah. I'm on those sniff coke, cause it will make I choke. All I smoke is the real cushion pen. Cushion pen make I count from 1 till 10. Pass the cushion pen, pass it over. Pass the cushion pen, pass it over. See, I gone undercover just to find my sexy lover. She's in the kitchen, toasting bread and frying chicken. So pass the cushion pen, just pass it over. Oh, hey, pass the cushion pen, pass it over. Hey, pass the cushion pen.
Babylon, come and tell me that no right. Me say me burn it and pass it on the right. Me say them come in and them look under the dread. Them say, hey, natty dreadlocks, where you come from? You must have two stick of sensi under your tongue. Me say, no, officer Lord, you must be mad. He only smokes cigarette and strictly shag. Oh, whoa, see, oh, whoa, ooh, well. Under me sensi, me under me sensi. 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 Whoa, see, whoa, 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 hey. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. Them no ramp with me, I strictly sensi. All over me, Babylon does all over me. Oh no, oh no. See, all over me, Babylon does all over me. Take them. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, wicked man does all over me. Oh no. Hey Babylon, you know like Ganja man, but we bring the foreign currency on the island. To Babylon, nobody charge me, sir. To Babylon, nobody charge me, sir. One butt on my lip, I pay blood, me start split. To Babylon, nobody charge me, sir. Oh no, see, no, one. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, Babylon does all over me. All over me, wicked man does all over me. Oh, whoa, see, whoa, whoa. On my way up to Marley, Mama send me out, we go buy some Cali. I make a mistake, I make a buy Fally. She jump on the bike, she make two darling, hey up on Marley. On my way up to see the valley, I didn't take bush, but me have good Cali. Hey, come a wicked man, I deal with Valley. The dreadlocks and the ghetto, them a shout out Cali. Cali, Cali, Cali where we want. Cali, Cali, Cali where we love. Send to me now, we love it. Just love it. On my way up to see the valley, Mama send me out, we go buy some Cali. Hey, come a wicked man, I deal with Valley. Chewing the now, we got the distant Cali. Sensi, sensi, sensi me now. Can't take the bush herb again, no. Can't take the bush herb again, no. Strictly sensi, sensi. Sweet, sweet, sweet sensi me now. Wrap up a job for the inspector. Wrap up a job for the lawyer. Wrap up a job for each and everyone you see. Can't take the bush herb again, no. Can't take the bush herb again. Now strictly sensey. Sensey. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Sensey me. No, I love it. Just love.
Bring exclusive music. Shaka Shaka, believe moment, chunk, blue last rock. Believe I was out with the coming down the music. I will beg you. Exclusively dedicated to our Ganja smoker. You don't start. Can't tishy, bam, bam, climb up on the fence. Asking the mother for a 50 cent. They want a pound of Haitians with $5 cents. So let go violence and make me smoke Haitians. It have to burn. Charlie's have to burn. I will Commander Ritty, beg you lend me the gritty. Carity, Mother Ritty, beg you lend me the gritty. Make me smoke up the Cutty. But I tell you, make me smoke up the Cutty. Cause some say that I and I deal with Charlie's, but a fifth colonist, them deal with Charlie's. From a cup, take a sup. Do it. But I tell you, from a lover, make we make it. Along my will, from a war, make we break it. Along Charlie's have to burn. Charlie's have to burn. Lord, gonna take kick away malice down in on the palace. Step with Vicky Wallace, make we eat up the chalice. Kick away malice down in on the palace. Step with Vicky Wallace, make we eat up the chalice. Wicked down as Zion, figure chanta to the lion. Down as Zion, figure chanta to the lion. Jaja chase them out of Zion with him iron. Till you Jaja chase them out of Babylon, yeah. Cannot say don't play card in a Babylon, yeah. Don't play card in a Babylon yard. Say we have the general, the one of the yard. Hey, tishy, bam, bam, climb up on the fence. Asking the mother for a 50 cent. The quarter pound of Haitians with $5 cents. So let go violence and make me smoke Haitians. It have to burn. Y'all is have to burn. Right? Mother Ritty, beg you lend me the gritty. Ritty, Mother Ritty, beg you lend me the gritty. Make me smoke up the Cutty. Until you make me smoke up the Cutty, you don't start. Cause some say that I and I deal with Charlie's. But a fifth colonist, them deal with Charlie's. From a cup, take a suck. Boom shot. Until you from a lover, make we make it. Come from a war, make we break it. You know sir, it have to burn. Yes, it up. It have to burn. Yes, it up. I'll tell you. Tishy, bam, bam, climb up on the fence. Asking the mother for a 50 cent. Quarter pound of Haitians with $5 cents. So let go violence that make us smoke Haitians. It have to burn. It have to burn. Lord, come me say bring the Cutty come. So bring the chalice come. So bring the Cutty come before the Haitians done. Ritty, Mother Ritty, beg you lend me the gritty. Ritty, Mother Ritty, beg you lend me the gritty. Hey,
special request to all herb man. Special request to all herb man. You live a Kingston, you live a St. John. Got to know this and one it a fi go number one. To you, this one dedicated to you. Dedication to our nation, no? I said to you, this one dedicated to you. You and God knows who. Do it, ja. Cause this a herb man smuggling. But this a herb man smuggling. Me era explode, it happen down the lane. Me take a stack, it was a ganja plane. Me and me girlfriend we name Arlene. Stretch out the ears and we hear the siren. Police in a blue, a soldier in a green. I'm a go with M1 and M16. They check in at the plane, they sight the pilot. They look up for that, them fire no shot. John was said the pilot in dead on the spot. They look up the plane was some bag of ganja. Tago bun, whoa, it a go bun. And that Jaja won't star and son. It a go bun, whoa, it a go bun. Well watch out man, hey yeah. The doctor say it no hurt nobody. The doctor say ganja no hurt nobody. But no smoke it when you're hungry. Do it, Jam. They can give you hurt belly. You see, it a go burn. Whoa, make two circle, then it come round. So swap it for money, so swap it for gun. Idiot ganja man, something.
It's a see like Babylon is watching me. All when it legalized, dreadlock and smoking pipe in peace. See me I don't know where you thinking we live a life at ease. Can't even walk the street without getting watched by police. In the belly of the beast, anti-dread fly with no cease. Why pre? Anti-dread live Italy.
So make we breathe up, don't make we burn it till they done. A long time take up pill, I tell them don't hide, don't run. Make we breathe up, don't make it grow up to the sun. A long time take a text, say legalize it. Is it true that come to the town of Colorado? Be said that the music in a San Diego. Full time them put up in a put and cool. Don't any grill where the real ganja go. Too much restriction, too much regulation. Ganja put it from creation. And the healing of the nation.
It always see like Babylon is watching me. All when it legalized, dreadlock and smoking pipe in peace. See me I don't know where you thinking we live a life at ease. Can't even walk the street without getting watched by police. In the belly of the beast, anti-dread fly with no cease. Why pre? Anti-dread live Italy.
So make we breathe up, don't make we burn it till they done. All I'm trying to go pill, I tell them don't hide, don't run. Make we breathe up, don't make it grow up to the sun. All I'm trying to get to legalize it. All I'm trying to know the truth. So make we breathe up, don't make we burn it till they done. All I'm trying to go pill, I tell them don't hide, don't run. Make we breathe up, don't make it grow up to the sun. All I'm trying to get to legalize it.
It always see like Babylon is watching me. All when it legalized, dreadlock and smoking pipe in peace. See me I don't know where you thinking we live a life at ease. Can't even walk the street without getting watched by police. In the belly of the beast, anti-dread fly with no cease. Why pre? Anti-dread live Italy. See me I don't know where you thinking we live a life at ease. Can't even walk the street without getting watched by police. In the belly of the beast, anti-dread fly with no cease. Why pre? Anti-dread live Italy. It always see like Babylon is watching me. All when it legalized, dreadlock and smoking pipe in peace. See me I don't know where you thinking we live a life at ease. Can't even walk the street without getting watched by police. In the belly of the beast, anti-dread fly with no cease. Why pre? Anti-dread live Italy.
I wanna get
bun. Hey, I wonder why them fighting my road. Don't say I'm rude. You with the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa, you with the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa. But when we light up the telephone chalwa, burn it and shout out to Jaja. Evil us people just a flatter. Can't cross the Rastaman border. No way. Give me the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa, give me the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa. Feel it in a fronto. Matter how you check it, man, the vibes always mellow. Don't season it, don't season it. Mind your head, company. Mind your head, company. And I say, and I pray, give me the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa, give me the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa. Pass me the sewer border, make we cut it up proper and roll a joint for my next door neighbor. Hope will put you in a stickly character. Mix it amongst the vultures and vampires. Vampires. Give me the weed ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa. Give me the weed ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa. When we light up the telephone chalwa, burn it and shout out to Jaja. Evil us people just a flatter. Can't cross the Rastaman border. No way. Give me the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya. Chibumpa. Give me the weed, ya. We no want no coke fi bun ya.
And from the man on the one Joseph here, cause never let them wrong. It's last I know that man, we preach it night and day. Fix! Smoking sensi. Herb can't, too much. Now coke and crack, you better step back. But right now Herb is the eating of the nation. And from the man on the one Joseph here, cause never let them wrong. It's last I know that man, we preach it night and day. Fix! Smoking sensi, smoking sensi, alright. Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah. Smoking sensi, smoking sensi, alright. Every minute, every hour. And if I have a Charlie, I'm gonna smoke it in the morning. You win. Smoke it in the evening. All over this land. From Kingston to Woman Bay. I smoke out danger. Lost, I know. I smoke out the warning. Got to preach. I preach out love between my brothers and my sisters. All over this land. Lord of mercy. Hey, in front of station, the ganja pipe a bun. Smoke from the chalice, make the Babylon high run. Him get vexed, go clean up him machine gun. And come in at the dance one, come run Josie down it up the bun. Lord, ganja pipe up the bun. Bang diddling, 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 diddling. Hey, from Inspector Carleton to Sergeant, the whole of them a walk with them gun in at them hand. Them push down the little gate man and say move your hand when you sight Babylon, Lord. Then the corporal him rub up a stool and say dreadlocks man you must take high for fool. Hey, ganja pipe is my favorite tool, and I bun this from me I go watch you in the school. Lord, I got it up the bun. Lord, ganja pipe off the bun. Boy, smoking sensi, smoking sensi's alright. Morning, even noon and night, you know. Smoking sensi, smoking sensi's alright. Oh yeah, and if I have a charity, I would legalize the sensi, eradicate the cocaine.
between my brothers and my sisters all over this land.
Lord of His mercy, for poor fall and him fall around and dip in a me collar. Me no care how them all and me can't stop bun ganja. It up the bun, ganja pipe up the bun. Jesus Christ, you know man, hey. Dip in a him pocket with some brown paper and him wrap up a draft in the lawyer. Then him wrap another draft in the doctor. Then him wrap another draft in the teacher. Now the lawyer and the doctor confess, hey, ganja pipe is a thing we all less. You bung it on your belly and it mash up your chest. Ganja pipe up the bun, ganja pipe up the bun.
Standing high, see, a stalker sensimania rooming in my backyard. A stalker sensimania rooming in my backyard. Don't cut down that scarlet tree because it make the best thing for me. I've heard doctors say it is naturally. One thing the structure will need a lot of food to survive and go through. In Babylon, standing high, I got the stalker's hexamania rooming in my backyard. I got the stalker's hexamania rooming in my backyard. Oh yes, I've walked the streets and seen children downtown, standing high, begging everyone they see, and it hurts me. Can't be right for what this world done for the youths. How you feel do that? I saw a sensimania booming in my backyard, standing high. I love this talk, a sensimania booming in my backyard. There is a red house over yonder, full of marijuana. I and I sit up on veranda, I sip up the chalwa. Babylon come Reid, still me not left ya. Standing high, lovely stalker. I got the stalker sensimania booming in my backyard. I love this stalker sensimania booming in my backyard. Feel free, standing high, don't hold back the feeling. Lovely stalker sensimania, Hollywood can't done, run it red, standing high, way. Don't cut down that cali tree because it make the best tea for me. I've heard doctors say it is naturally. Why this good little thing can last forever? Ding ding bang, lovely stuff, lovely stuff. I got the stalker sensimania booming in my backyard. I got the stalker sensimania booming in my backyard. Oh, oh, stand on it to work, stand on it to work. I just 100 pounds of cali, burning in my chalwa. I got 100 pounds of cali, burning in my chalwa. Come bread and natty, I make we smoke up this cali, so I can dally with Sister Molly. Why this a cali man a real sensei? Now make no trouble but me feeling right. Draw away vampire, I mean we burn you with fire. With 100 pounds of cali, burning in my chalwa. I got 100
the jungle with chalice in hand, always in fear of the Babylon. Trotting through the jungle with chalice in hand, always in fear of the Babylon. Said I just can't take it no longer. I've got to go back home. Said I just can't take it no longer. I've got to go back home. Oh, I've got to go back home. It's way in my brain, well now. And I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me, and I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me, way in my brain, no cocaine. I don't wanna go insane. Way in my brain, no cocaine. I don't wanna go insane. And I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me, and I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me. Because in my eyes say that red like blood, and I've been moving around like a human fly. Smoke out of my mouth and out of my nose. I blow it in the air 'cause it must expose. And I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me, and I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me, in Westmoreland, now where the sense I come from. Me put it in a crocus pop on the minivan. Take the seed and me make the ash shine, and me put it in the barrel 'cause me know it no spoil. And I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me, and I'm a slang to me, on I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to me, on me, and I'm a slang to me, and I'm a slang to. It's way in my brain, it's way in my brain. In my eyes said it's red like blood, and I've been moving around like a human flood. And smoke out of my mouth and out of my nose. I blow it in the air and make the smoke expose. In a Westmoreland, now where the sense I come from. Me put it in a crocus pop on the minivan. Take the seed and me make the ash shine. Me put it in the barrel 'cause me know it no spoil. And I'm a slang take me on, I'm a slang thing. And I'm a slang take me on, me, and I'm a slang take me on, I'm a slang thing. And I'm a slang take me on, me, because it's way in my brain, no cocaine. I don't wanna go insane. Way in my brain, no cocaine.
Her man crisis, you have a skank and go round. Oh Lord, used to buy a jar from the corner. Them take me bridging and they never get paid. Used to sit and smoke up the good sense of me, yeah. But Babylon them have him in a jail. Now we have to search for the bush ganja, 'cause me bridging him a keep chewing. Not me have to travel to one exterior, just because of the sense of me new crisis in your town. I say, urban crisis, you have a skank and go round. Oh Lord, sense of me new crisis in your town. I say, urban crisis, you have a skank and go round. Oh Lord, now me no like how them a gone. Them just a pull up every man, 'cause them a ask only a question. But right now it's time to take action. 'Cause youth man a walk with Rizlan in him hand. Even when we weak, I said we must get strong. But since you mean you crisis in your town, I
I say, herb man who cries says you have a skank and go round. Oh Lord, since you mean who cries says in your town. I say, herb man who cries says you have a skank and go round. Oh Lord, you know safe in the house and you know safe in your car. You know safe if you are walking smoking ganja. You know safe for the friend in good
society. Why so much controversy over one herb tree, one little herb tree. I planted on my farm. Someone saw it there, thought that they should press the alarm. So on Thursday afternoon, a diamond herb was soon just coming into bloom. Babylon kick off the door to me room. Them say herb tree. They wanted to arrest me for one herb tree. Can you believe me? Me say master Cutty, me say master Cutty, not TV. Herb tree. They were harassing me for one herb tree. Can you believe me? One herb tree banned by society. No one superintendent, him call it high grade eye shades. He was rubbing his eyes for a moment, saying see a man jump across the fence. But minutes before they came, me and my friend Ganja tea from Spain. Burn off the tree, it was pouring rain. We threw the ashes down in the drain. So the herb tree, the Babylon, they could not find that one herb tree. Can you believe me? Me say master Cutty, me say master Cutty for me. Herb tree. The Babylon was harassing me for one herb tree. Can you believe me? One herb tree, one
Rocky them around, Natty. Say Natty dreadlocks and I sell coke. Emperor Selassie, I bound fi bust you throat. And if your artist and I mess with the white lady, Emperor Selassie, I Emmanuel see again. Dreadlocks and I sell coke. Emperor Selassie, I bound fi bust you throat. And if your artist and I don't lick, Emperor Selassie, I Emmanuel see again. Israel children, Bongo Jesse, stay this a problem. Bout them and them, living excitement. Don't have no conscience, no have no reverence, no obedience, them don't know them past tense. Bout to the present tense of Babylon government. Say them intellectual, full of intelligence. But now them our line not depend. Heights of decades, is the cocaine. Hey, boy Bongo Jesse couldn't confuse me brain. Bow down to Babylon straight, what a shame. Dreadlocks and I sell coke. Emperor Selassie, I bound fi bust you throat. And if your artist and I don't lick, Emperor Selassie, I Emmanuel see again. But them a rasta, so dreadlocks, so long locks, long down in a feed them back. Canna the rapture, selling cocaine crack, destroying me family way block. How we me chat, me say them artists enough. Hey, like a glass of evil 100 floor them drop. Smash, them lifestyle it flop. You can't blame them, cause the knowledge them no got. So, Natty dreadlocks and I sell coke. Emperor Selassie, I bound fi bust you throat. And if your artist had not mess with the white lady, Emperor Selassie, I Emmanuel, me sit up in a me arms a bun Babylon down. Israel warrior, we a go bun down Saddam. Israel light up your chalice and come. I don't know where them a go run now Jesse Congo. Him a bun fire bun. Me see them in a them house pretty car and van. Them see the bongo man a who them a muggle pan. Israel, Ethiopia and Milan. I Congo bongo couldn't see a Babylon. Me dreadlocks and I sell coke. Emperor Selassie, I bound fi bust you throat. And if your artist and I don't lick, Emperor Selassie, I Emmanuel see again. Israel children, Black Jesse, stating the problem. Both them and them living excitement. Don't have no conscience, no have no reverence, no have no obedience, them don't know them past tense. Both to the present tense of Babylon government. Say them intellectual, full of enough intelligence. But now them our line not depend. Heights of the gains, he's the cocaine. Hey, boy bongo Jesse couldn't confuse me brain. But down to Babylon strain, what a shame. Dreadlocks and I sell coke. Emperor Selassie, I bound fi bust you throat. And if your artist and a mess with the white lady, Emperor Selassie, I Emmanuel see again. But them a rasta, so dreadlocks, so long locks, long down in a feed them back. Got not the rapture, selling cocaine crack, destroying me family way black. And when me chat, me say them artists enough. Hey, like a glass of evil, 100 floor them drop. Smash, them lifestyle it flop. You can't blame them, cause the knowledge them no got. So, not the dreadlocks, and I sell coke.